If you are afraid of losing your job to ChatGPT, let me tell you something. ChatGPT is just tip of the iceberg. There are multiple AI tools which can work like human and which will replace you. But AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Be that person using AI. Learn art of using ChatGPT and other AI tools.
So hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you are a content creator or if you are planning to create content, so today I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that every content creator must know so that he can upskill his game and also create a lot of content to stay relevant on social media or any other platform where he posts his content. So let's start with the number 1 AI tool. So before starting the video, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays, you all might have seen that AI has taken over the world and millions of people have got laid off and a lot of people have lost their jobs. And I believe that you don't want to get hit by this recession wave, right? And let me assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person who will be using AI will surely replace you. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop in which we'll teach you how to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join us by clicking the link which is in the description, and let's continue the video ahead. So now let's continue the video, and the number 1 AI tool is Munch. So Munch is an AI that extracts the most contextual nuggets from your long form content and present to you with coherent and shareable clips. In short, it converts your long form content into simple shorts that you can share on YouTube, Instagram or any other social media platform. Munch is an all-in-one platform because you can edit your videos, and also it does the auto editing and auto captions for you. And also if you want to directly connect your social media apps, and it can directly post the content over there. But if you want, you can get the videos made by Munch and you can use them wherever you want by just simply downloading the videos. The best part about using Munch AI is that it can save you a lot of hours that you would have to use to like extract a short clip out of a 12-30 minutes or 1 hour podcast if you want to get a shot out of that. But it will do all that work for you and you don't need to worry about any of those things. So it's a very great thing and a lot of work would be saved for you, and in that time you can create more content. So like let's take an example how we can do that. So we can select the aspect ratio, like in what ratio we want, and that's a great feature because there's a lot of issue that if you are shooting a long form content, it's in the another ratio, and what it's compared to what's in the shorts form, that is 9:16 ratio, whereas the long form content is 16:9 ratio. So it can also select, so you can also select beforehand what type of content you want. And it can also tell you how your videos are performing by analyzing them, because it has machine learning algorithms that the platform uses to analyze your performance on various social media platforms and how your videos are performing every day. So it's a very good analytical tool too. But this amazing tool has an amazing price too, because this tool comes at a price of $49 a month. So if you are a very great content creator and if you don't want to waste your time on this creating these shorts, so you can have a subscription of this. And let's move on to the next AI tool. So the next AI tool is videos.ai, and this tool is specifically built to extract these short clips from 1 hour long podcast or webinars where the content is so used that you would waste your whole day to just get the right clip out of that. Well, this AI can do that for you. So what does this AI does is that it automatically finds, using the artificial intelligence, that what was the most engaging content in that whole 1 hour or 2 hour clips, and it will cut and edit that video parts for you. So the work is very simple. You just need to import your clip, whatever clip do you want, and then you can select the template and what in which template you want, and your video would be like ready in a few minutes. And also you can edit one by one how you want to edit the captions and everything. And it can suit your branding videos, because you can select how you want to, like what is your brand image and how you want to publish your content and what changes you want specifically that are catered to your brand needs. Videos.ai offers a free version if you want. In that, up to 75 minutes clips are allowed. But if you want to use a pro version, you can also use a pro version that is paid at a price of $29 a month. So yeah, if that works for you, but till then you can use free versions. And also in the pro version you get the clips of quality of 1080p, whereas in the free version you get the quality of 720p. And the third AI tool is Adobe Photoshop Beta. And we all know how much Adobe has worked in the creative space, and now they have come up with this Photoshop beta version where you can create anything by just entering a prompt. You can edit an image, or you can make a whole image out of just a single prompt, whatever you want. Just click on generative field and write the prompt whatever you want over there. And if you want a castle, it will show you a castle. If you want good clouds, it will show you a good cloud. If you want to remove content, you can remove the content. If you want to make it clear, it can be made clear. There are a lot of things that you can use using Adobe Photoshop AI, and you don't need to do things now manually, because the AI will work for you, and it will again save you a lot of time while creating those thumbnails, or while creating that good graphics post for your accounts. Well, these all things would be sorted once you have this AI with you. And this is also a paid version, because Adobe is a paid platform. So you get this version in $22 a month. I believe that if you have a lot of work that is dependent on AI, or that is dependent more on photos rather than videos, you can have this premium, and that would be worth it for your time too. So the next AI tool is Kaiber AI, and this tool you all might have seen, where Instagram people created a lot of videos and there were millions of views that were generated. And this AI just like completely eradicated every AI that could animate things, because the way Kaiber animates the characters or things, it's really amazing. And I believe you all might have seen these type of reels where this animation is continuously changing. And this is also a great tool for creators where they want to create these animation videos. And again, it's an AI. You just need to enter the right prompt, and with the right selection of words, you would get a really great, amazing animated video for yourself. It's also a paid version, but you just need to pay $5 a month. But in these $5, you get a lot of things, and a lot of things would be sorted out for you. And let's move on to the last AI tool, that is Notion AI. And the Notion AI is a really smart, amazing AI tool that can help you to stay organized. Also tells you how to approach an organization, corrects your statement if you want to. It's just, in short, it's just an AI assistant that can help you with anything that's related to text. It can translate your video into any language. Tone of the text is not right, it can change the tone of that. And it can also like write those refined messages that you want to send out to the brands or any other person with whom you want to collab. And also give you this feedback system where you can decide if that is right for you. And also this assistant is just available for $10 a month. I know these all are paid subscriptions, but once you start using them, they would save you a lot of time. And I believe in that time you can generate that same revenue what you have spent on using these AI tools. And that is it for this video. Like the information, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And don't forget, the link is in the description, and the workshop is just available for 9 rupees. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.